Hey friends, I'm so happy you're here. Today we'll make easy, colorful crafts together. I'll go slow and you can pause anytime. Ready? High five. Project 1. Sunny paper plate. I have a paper plate, yellow paint or crayon, glue, and strips of paper. I color the plate bright yellow. Now I glue paper sun rays around the edge. 1, 2, 3. I draw a friendly smile and 2 eyes. Ta-da! A happy sun. Great job. See helpful pictures and videos from pexels.com. Project 2. Silly sock puppet. I find a clean sock, 2 big buttons or paper circles, a little yarn and glue. Eyes go on first. Blink, blink. I add yarn hair. Wiggle, wiggle. I draw a smile with a marker. Hello, puppet pal. Can it say hi? You can look for puppet images on pexels.com. Project 3. Nature collage. Let's use leaves, safe sticks and flowers from a walk with a grown-up. I spread glue on thick paper. I press, press, press the leaves. Crunchy and pretty, I make a heart shape. So lovely. Find nature photos and videos on pexels.com. Project 4. Explorer binoculars. I tape 2 toilet paper rolls side by side. I color them bright blue. I add stickers, star, heart, dot. I tie a ribbon so they hang safely. Peekaboo! I see you try simple how-to clips from pexels.com. Time to clean up. I put caps on glue, throw tiny scraps away, and wash my hands. You did amazing. I'm proud of you. Want more crafts? Ask a grown-up to find fun pictures and videos on pexels.com. See you next time, little artist. Bye-bye.